Welcome to the ultimate guide to cars on the road, where we'll cover everything you need to know about cars. Whether you're a first-time driver or a seasoned veteran, this video has all the essential information to help you navigate the road. First up, let's talk about car types. From sedans to SUVs, each vehicle has its own unique features and benefits. Next, we'll cover essential car maintenance. Oil changes, tire rotations, and regular checkups are critical to keep your vehicle running smoothly. But what if your car breaks down? Don't panic, we've got you covered. We'll walk through basic troubleshooting and the most common issues drivers encounter on the road. And now, let's talk about safety. From seatbelts to airbags, there are several features designed to protect drivers and passengers in case of an accident. Speaking of accidents, we'll also cover what to do if you find yourself in a collision. From exchanging insurance information to contacting the police, we'll guide you through the necessary steps. Finally, we'll discuss how to be a responsible driver. Following traffic laws, avoiding distractions, and practicing defensive driving are all crucial to stay safe on the road. That's it for the ultimate guide to cars on the road. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and information.